We are a geotechnical specialist company from Delhi, India. We execute geotechnical projects like shoring, ground treatment, ground improvement, slope stabilization, hydro seeding, and all underground metro projects. It's a well-renowned brand in the industry, and the quality and the serviceability of the products are very good. The range of the product is quite impressive, which we require for our vast type of applications. We are presently using a compressor XAHS 486, which is a very high pressure compressor, and its pressure is around 12 bar capacity, and volume is around 486. And this compressor we are using typically for this application because we have water in the ground and the drilling depth is quite high, so we need very high pressure for flushing. So like here we have installed these anchors. These are of 60-ton capacity anchors, which you can see on these beams. These are actually 15-meter deep anchors, and they are having a capacity of 60 ton. We are installing using LM100 Atlas Copco LM100 drill, and the prime mover compressor we are using Atlas Copco XAH 486, which is actually doing two purpose. One is running the machine and other is flushing the hole with the soil. After this drilling is done, we are installing cable anchors in the hole and grouting them. And finally we are stressing these anchors like a rubber band over these waller beams so that it actually takes the vertical load of the soil. We are having this machine since 4.5 years, and it has done quite a good job without much breakdowns. These portable compressors we had used in several metro projects like Kalkaji metro station, Chirag Delhi metro station, airport line, and then this Jama Masjid, Delhi Gate. All these stations we had deployed these compressors for this shoring works application. We had deployed this XA187 in hydro seeding project in Jammu. We are doing one more similar project in Panchkula, and there one more project we are doing in Lucknow. The project requires stabilizing the slopes using soil nails, shotcrete, and cutting of the slopes to the bottom. Then finally spraying of seeds with fertilizer and water using compressed air on the cut slopes. And finally, once the germination happens on the slope, all the slopes turns into green. That's the unique thing about this project. So all these portable compressors we are utilizing for shoring works and these kind of typical application. See, Atlas Copco sales service team is quite good. Whenever we have any problem, we used to call them, and we get very prompt reply from them. Sometimes they support us in very odd hours also. So we are very happy with that. Atlas Copco compressors were first in mind and first of my choice when we had started procuring them. Go for Atlas Copco compressors.